children, this is NCERT 9.11 question. According to this question, the value of focal length of the objective is given for the compound microscope, and value of the focal length of the eyepiece is given 6.25. So you have to find out the distance of object from the objective. In each case there are two cases, and one more thing is given in the question, that is the distance between the objective and the eyepiece, denoted by small d, and that is 15 centimeter. So the first condition is that you have to find out u naught when the image is formed at the least distance of distinct vision, and also the magnifying power in the each case. So first of all, when the image is formed, see, this is the diagram of the microscope when the image is formed at the least distance of distinct vision. Okay, so what will happen, this is the distance between the object and objective, and this is VE, which is given D. So object is placed in front of the objective. First image is made, that is between the optical center of the eyepiece and the focal length. So this is a real and inverted image, and this behave like a object for this lens. So final image is the virtual image and formed at the least distance of distinct vision from the eyepiece. So here VE is what? Minus 25. According to sign convention, this will be minus 25. So you have to apply 1 upon VE minus 1 upon UE is equal to 1 upon FE. So by applying this formula, first you will get the value of 1 by UE. So by substituting the value of VE minus 25 FE, and you will be getting the value of UE is equal to minus 5 centimeter. Okay. Now for getting the value of this U naught, okay, U naught, you must know the value of V naught. Okay, how you will get the value of V naught? See, this is the distance between the object and eyepiece, given 15 centimeter, and this is what? This is UE, which you have got 5. So from the 15 centimeter, when you will subtract this value of UE, so you will be getting this distance, and this distance is what? This is V naught. Okay, so by taking V naught is equal to D minus UE, 15 minus 5, you will be getting 10. Substitute the formula for the objective, 1 upon V naught minus 1 upon U naught is equal to 1 upon F naught. So 1 upon U naught comes out to be 1 upon V naught minus 1 upon F naught. Substitute V naught 10, and the value of F naught is given 2. You will be getting U naught, that is 2.5 centimeter. So you have got value of U naught, which you have to got in the question. Now the magnifying power formula, M naught into ME, M naught V naught upon U naught, and 1 plus D by FE. This is the formula of the magnifying power of the compound microscope when the image is formed at the least distance of distinct vision. So V naught is 10, U naught you have got 2.5. Okay, and this will be 1 plus 25 upon 6.25, comes out to be 20. So this is the magnifying power of the that compound microscope. Second case, when the image is formed at infinity. So when the image is formed at infinity means what? V is infinite. Fe is given. Again, substitute the formula for the eyepiece. 1 upon infinity, 1 is 1 upon UE is equal to 1 upon Fe. So 1 upon UE is equal to 1 upon Fe, comes out to be minus 6.25 centimeter. Again, how you will get the V naught? The same formula we have applied, that is D minus UE. So 15 minus 6.25, this is UE. So 8.75 you have got. Again for the objective we have applied 1 upon V naught minus 1 upon U naught is equal to 1 upon F naught. So 1 upon U naught will be equal to 1 upon V naught minus 1 upon F naught. इसको इधर करो, इसको इधर करो. So 1 upon 8.75 minus 1 by 2. After solving this, you will be getting minus 6.75 divided by 17.5. So U naught comes out to be minus 17.5 divided by 6.75. So here you have got the value of U naught minus 2.59 centimeter. Okay, now magnifying power, M naught into ME, V naught upon U naught. V naught you have got this, U naught you have got this. Substitute the value. Okay, so by substituting the value, you will be getting D value 25 and Fe is equal to 6.25. So you have got the value 13.5. Okay, 13.5 is the value, and here you will substitute, this will be positive, okay, and this will be negative. So in this condition the magnification comes out to be what? 13.5, because u naught you have to take in minus v naught, that will be 8.7. But in the formula, in this formula, when you are substituting the value v naught upon u naught, because we have got this formula after substituting the sign convention also, so there is no need to substitute minus minus sign over here. Already you have substituted in the formula, so that is 13.5. You have got the magnifying power.